Correctly fixing BDO online banking errors is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Sometimes issues may be on BDO's end. Check the official BDO website or their social media channels for any announcements about service interruptions or maintenance. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to ensure that you are working with a clean slate. Browser cache issues can sometimes cause errors. After clearing the cache, try logging in again. If the error persists, try using a different web browser. Some issues may be browser-specific, and switching to another browser can help troubleshoot the problem. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. Unstable connections can lead to transaction failures or errors. Make sure that your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers may not be fully compatible with online banking platforms. Disable any browser extensions or add-ons, as they may interfere with the functionality of the online banking websites. Double-check that you are entering your login credentials correctly. Ensure that your username and password are accurate, and consider using the Forgot Password option if needed. If possible, try accessing BDO Online Banking from a different device. This can help determine if the issue is device-specific. If the error persists, contact BDO customer support. Provide them with details about the error message, what you are trying to do, and any troubleshooting steps you've taken already. If you're encountering issues on the website, consider using the BDO mobile application if available. Mobile apps may have a different interface and could be more stable for certain transactions.